Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we are exploring the numbers from 0 to 30. Today is all about numbers and counting. Have your voices ready as we count together and discover the interesting patterns in numbers. So, let's get learning! We've spent lots of time counting forwards and backwards to 10 and to 20. Well, today, let's count all the way to 30, and we'll stop along the way to spot some patterns. As we get started with this numeral, let me ask you, what does this numeral represent? Pause it here and share your thoughts. Do you recognize this numeral? This is the numeral 0. What does it mean to have 0? How could we show 0 with our fingers? Hold up 0 fingers. Ready? Oh, I can't see any fingers. That must mean that 0 fingers means no fingers. Okay, let's have a look at the next few numbers. Here's the next numeral. What does this numeral represent? This is the number 1. What numeral will come next? 2. After 2 comes 3. Well, today, as promised, is all about counting. So let's get counting together. To be sure that we stay together, you'll see numbers popping up on your screen. So as the number appears, count along. Remember to keep a steady pace and follow along with the numbers. And when you see this sign, that means stop. Okay, ready? Starting from 0, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop! What do you notice? Pause it here and share some ideas about what you can see. I wonder what ideas you have about the numbers that we've counted. What do you notice about the numbers as they move across? They're getting bigger, aren't they? But how much do they get bigger each time? The next number is one more each time. And have you noticed something about the digits in the top row? They are all one-digit numbers. Look at the number 10 on the next row. 10 has 2 digits, 1 and 0. Okay, are you ready to keep counting? Let's go. We're up to the number 10. What comes after 10? Count along. 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop! What do you notice? Are you seeing any patterns? Pause it here and have a think, number detectives. Have you noticed anything about the digits of the teen numbers? What's the same? What's different? Let's have another look and think. Did you notice what digit is at the start of every number in the second row? They all start with 1, don't they? And what about the second digit in each of those numbers? Can you see a pattern? Yes, they're going up by 1s again, just like in the first row. I can feel lots of great thinking happening today. Great work. Well, now let's have another look at our numerals because I have another question for you to think about. Look at that red box. What numeral do you think belongs in this red box? What do we know about the numbers around? That could help. Look for some patterns, have a think, and then share your thinking with a friend. What are you thinking about? Well, we all know that all the numbers in the second row start with a 1, and we know that they are all 2-digit numbers. So that could help. Do you think the number in the box will start with 1? And what will be the next digit? The number above it might give you a clue. Are you thinking the number is 19? Let's continue counting from 14 and we'll find out. Voices ready? What comes after 14? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done! We made it all the way to 30. Now, I'd like to point out two numbers. What is this number? 13. And what's this number? 30. What do you notice about these two numbers? They sound similar, don't they? But are they the same number? No. Let's look at this numeral first. The digits 1 and 3 is 13. Let's clap the syllables in 13. Ready? 13. Don't forget the n at the end of teen. Let's clap the syllables again. Ready? 13. The teen in 13 gives us a clue that there's a 10 in 13. 1 10 and 3 more. 13. And this is where 13 is found on the number chart with all the teen numbers. Now, let's look at this number. The digits 30 is 30. Is this the same as 13? No. It might sound similar, but it's not the same. Let's look at it on the chart. This is where 30 is found on the number chart. At the very start of a new row. It's not a teen number, is it? It's bigger. Now, 13 starts with a 1, and that represents 110. But what digit does 30 start with? 3. So, how many 10s in 30? There are 3 10s in 30. 10, 20, 30. So the 3 in 30 doesn't mean 3 like this. It means 3 like this. 3 10s. Okay, it's time to play a quick game called 13 or 30. You'll be seeing one of these numbers pop up on your screen, and as it appears, say which number it is. Remember, 13 ends with n, but 30 doesn't. Let's start. 13 or 30, let's play. 13. 13. 30. 13. 30. 30. 13. 13. 30. 13. 30. Last one. 30. All right, great work. Well, let's finish by having another look at our number chart. As you're looking at the numbers, do you notice any interesting patterns? What do you notice along each row? What do you notice about the digits? Pause and share all of your ideas. Have you been doing some great thinking? Well, if you have, I'm going to see if I was thinking about similar ideas to yours. Let's have a look. Maybe you've noticed that all the numerals in the second row all begin with 1. And how about on the next row? What numeral do they begin with? 2. This could help us predict what we would see on the next row. Now, let's have a look at this end. What do you notice at the start of each row? Yes, each new row starts with one more group of 10. Did you notice anything about the second digit in each numeral? Can you see anything similar as we look down a column? The last digit is always the same as we move down, isn't it? And what's happening as we move across the rows? Just like in the first row, the next number is always one more each time. Well, look at that! Not only could we count to 30, but we've discovered lots of interesting patterns and connections with numbers. Whenever you're counting, look out for those patterns in numbers too. Alright, to finish off today, let's all count once more together all the way to 30 without stopping. Here we go! Starting from 0. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Excellent! Enjoy finding patterns when counting, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.